Coffee's ready.
We're ready.
Welcome to Start Your Week Right.
Yeah, we're gonna make snacks today.
Last week we talked about meal prepping, so today we're going to talk about snack prepping because it's just as important as having food on the go. So first get your coffee, and now get your oven ready because we're going to make some homemade granola, just a little bit sweet and quite healthy.
And we're also gonna make some banana oatmeal cookies.
So how are we starting with this granola? Because this is your recipe.
Yes, I do like granola all the time. I have it with milk, or I add some fruit, or I add some yogurt, but today we're just gonna make the granola. We're gonna start with the oats that you can pour into this bowl.
All right.
Then we're also gonna add some hazelnuts.
All right, what else?
Walnuts.
Okay.
Because walnuts are very healthy and very yummy. I'm also gonna add some maple syrup for the sweetness. Ooh, I forgot something.
What did you
cinnamon.
That's like
You can have no granola without cinnamon.
Okay. Okay, so our next step is going to be our oatmeal banana cookies. So what we prefer is like very ripe bananas because they're naturally sweeter. But if your bananas are not super ripe, it still works just as well. Okay, you want to peel one? I'll peel the other? Okay.
Do you know how monkeys do it? They peel it from the bottom.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I have never seen that before.
Because I'm a monkey.
Yeah, we're gonna mash the bananas in that plate. Little bit of agave and add the oats to it. And then tons of cinnamon. Okay, I think these are ready to roll.
Do you want to switch? I'm going to take out the granola, you're going to put in the cookies?
Okay, sounds like a deal. Cookie. Okay.
There you go. Raisins are perfect. I love raisins.
Yeah.
Let's put some raisins on it and just, add it.
Okay, and now what?
I'm going to cut some dried figs.
Okay.
I do love fresh figs, but dried figs are my jam as well.
Okay, can I add the cacao nibs now? You done snacking? It's gonna be all gone before we even get started. Okay.
Yeah, just add as you desire.
Wow, this is toppings galore.
Oomph, cookies, scratch, granola. Perfect. Okay, good. Okay, now we're getting weird.
And if you are a cookie lover just like us, you should tell us in the comments.
For only being like 4 ingredients plus the topping.
Yeah, these were probably the easiest cookies I've ever made. And they're perfect if you have to bring something really last minute to a dinner.
True.
Yeah.
As a dessert.
Yeah.
Or as a snack.
Or if you're having a movie night or something, this is a great snack.
I think we're done here.
Yes, we are. Thank you so much for watching. And next time, you'll see the surprise that we have for you.
I don't know about the surprise.
Because it's a freaking surprise, obviously.
Okay, it's a surprise.
Bye.